Hi, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the minimum deposit for a BrioDirect savings account. Now, I know that a lot of you are probably wondering why you would even need to know this. Well, the truth is that the minimum deposit for a savings account can vary depending on the bank or credit union. And so, if you're looking to open a new savings account, it's important to know what the minimum deposit is so that you can make sure you have enough money to open the account. So, what is the minimum deposit for a BrioDirect savings account? The minimum deposit for a BrioDirect savings account is N10,000. This means that you will need to have at least N10,000 in your account in order to open it. Now, this may seem like a lot of money to some people. But remember, savings accounts are meant to be used for saving money. So, if you're looking to save money for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or a new car, then a BrioDirect savings account may be a good option for you. In addition to the minimum deposit, there are also a few other things to keep in mind when opening a BrioDirect savings account. BrioDirect savings accounts are only available to Nigerian residents. You must be at least 18 years old to open a BrioDirect savings account. You will need to provide proof of your identity and address when opening a BrioDirect savings account. Once you have met all of the requirements, you can open a BrioDirect savings account online or in person. Now that you know the minimum deposit for a BrioDirect savings account, you can make an informed decision about whether or not this is the right type of savings account for you. If you have any questions about BrioDirect savings accounts, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.